Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. I work hard in the holy month of Ramadan and I wanted to prepare a menu video for you. First, the Turkish name Türlü, which is a vegetable dish, will be made. Carrots are chopped. There will be enough food for 150 people. You can make these materials at home using one piece. Chopping onions. Green zucchini is chopped in the same material as the other ingredients. Eggplants being chopped. Potatoes. To peel the tomatoes, cut off the ends. Add boiling water over the tomatoes and wait 5 minutes. The skins will peel off easily after adding cold water. Peeled tomatoes chopped. After chopping all the ingredients, you can start cooking your food comfortably. Olive oil and sunflower oil are added in a mixed way. Add green beans, add chopped carrots and fry. Add chopped onions. Chili pepper. Add tomato paste, black pepper. Meat bouillon powder. Boiling water. Adding green zucchini. Adding the eggplants. Some more boiling water. Salt. Close the lid and cook for 20 minutes. If you want a thick consistency, add starch. Adding chopped potatoes. Bake the potatoes for 15 minutes and take them in oven dishes and bake them uncovered for 15 minutes. Will be very delicious. A nice noodle and chickpea rice pilaf will be served alongside the meal. 1.5 cups of rice. Wetted with warm water. Rice will be soaked for at least 40 minutes. Chickpeas not boiled. Chickpeas boiled for 5 hours are not cooked. In such a case, change the water completely or add cold water to it.
5 saattir kaynıyor.
Rice is washed by mixing it with a wooden spoon. A wide, thick-bottom saucepan. Sunflower oil. Barley noodle. Fry the barley noodles until they turn pink. Add the rice without water and mix. Salt. Bone broth boiling. 1 cup of bone broth and 1 cup of boiling water. Boiled chickpeas. Close the lid and turn off the fire completely after 10 minutes after turning off the fire. After the rice has rested, mix it and it is ready to be served. Tzatziki, Turkish cassock is made. It will be very good with this dish. 5 kilograms of cow yogurt. 5 kilograms of water. Unpeeled cucumber is chopped with a mixer. Olive oil. Chopped parsley and dill. Salt. Dry mint. Ready to serve. Oil and flour are roasted for tomato soup. Some black pepper. Tomato paste. Mix and add boiling water. Confusion is expected. Cold milk is added after boiling. Salt and sugar are added. Ready to serve. Enjoy your meal. Please leave a like and comment on this recipe. I have always tried to make tutorial videos and I will continue to do this. I am waiting for your donations with the super thank you feature. You can leave a tip. Support me. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.